I just want to share the details on this hairstyle. The hair that I used is Afro twist hair. And the reason why I use Afro twist or Afro hair when I do braids of any kind, except for box braids, like medium size, small size. If I do large, then I'll more than likely be using this, just because my natural hair texture is more prone to show, just because it's a larger amount, obviously being used in the braid. So to make the braid look fresh longer and also to last longer, if you have a different hair texture, you can skip this step. But if you're a 4 type girl, I recommend using Marley hair really in any type of braids that you do, just so that it'll look more natural and so that the style will look fresh longer. Because you know, you can tell when your braids are like getting old when your natural hair starts to fuzz through, but you can't really tell where your natural hair ends. You know what I mean? So like right here, this isn't my natural hair, this is the Marley hair. And my hair up here is already kind of fuzzy a little bit. So just having this Marley hair here and here kind of makes it look like that's kind of the whole point of the braid, like, you know? So I don't know, that's just a tip for you. So, and also it helps with the thickness. If you have thick hair, it helps without using too much hair in your braid, which will cause more tension on your hair. Just use Marley hair because the thickness of that hair, the curls, it'll give the illusion of, you know, thickness or whatever. So along with that, for the Kaneko on hair, I used the brand Sensational Expression. And I didn't use the number 27, that's what this is right here. I just put this one in here, but I used this one, and I think this one is number 613. So that's what's in my hair. And as you can see in the video that I have on the screen, I just gradually put it in here and there. And in one of them, I didn't even put it in until the end. Yeah, so depending on who you're working on, or even if you're doing your own hair, you just feel, you know, where you want to add hair. You know, it's kind of like a preference thing. But this is the brand that I use. And also, I use this brand, but in a number 4 for the majority of the braid, you know, to carry the braid through. So I use 3 different types of weaves to accomplish this double Dutch braid style. It's really cute, but I have to take it out just because of the tension. I just don't want my hair like this. I don't want my hair in this particular style for too long. It was fun while it lasted though. I do recommend it because it is cute, it's fun. I got a lot of compliments on it, so yeah. So I hope you guys, if you guys try out this hair, definitely let me know, DM me, leave a comment, whatever. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment. Stay tuned for more hair tutorials or even other videos that I will be posting in relation to beauty and health, you know? So yeah, thank you guys so much. Have a good one.